Hi everybody, we're doing a review of the Auxito 194 LED lights. Now, these bulbs replace the mini-wedge bulbs for like dome lights, glove compartment, license plate, marker lights, etc. The particular bulb that I needed to replace was a W5W, and just as an FYI, bulbs that are mini wedge base, either 194, 168, 2825, sometimes they're rated as 12 volts, sometimes as 14 volts. I wouldn't stress about the 12 and 14 because your 12 volt circuit runs at 14 volts when the car is running and the alternator is working. So they are compatible, and here they are down here. This is what the package looks like. So for around 10 bucks you get 10 lights. They're LEDs, white. You can see on the package that it says it's also for 168, 2825. This is a similar wedge type bulb that I got for marker lights for the headlight assembly in my 2010 Prius. Again, they're just referred to as peanut bulbs with a wedge base. This particular one, 12 volts. Anyway, I'm going to show you on the Prius what it looks like at night used in the rear license plate. So you can see the rear of the Prius. I have these bulbs installed, one on the left, one on the right. You can see that it's a very bright white light. I would say this is multiple times brighter than the other bulb that was in it, the W5W, and really illuminates that license plate well. I was worried about the directionality of it, but they're relatively non-directional bulbs because they have LEDs all around and on the end. So it's going to project light similar to basically an omnidirectional, like an omnidirectional incandescent bulb. So I hope this helps you get an idea. The dealer wanted $60 to put 2 bulbs in. He probably would have put in cheap incandescent bulbs. And here I've got LED bulbs, $1 each, brighter, and these will probably last far longer than the car does. Thanks for watching.